Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me. Yeah.
Hi you guys, I'm G Renee and I'm back with another wig tutorial. And today I have a transparent 13 by 6 deep part lace front human hair wig. It comes pre-plucked already. It's supposed to be invisible lace front with a density of 150. It's supposed to be 14 inches, but it's a little longer. And I have the tinted lace spray that I sprayed on the cap. And I also sprayed inside the wig as well. And the wig came with a stocking cap and some eyelashes. So I'm placing the unit on her head to make sure it's a good fit. I have already hooked the adjustable band together because she has a small head. And this wig was $110.99. I will have the link down below to purchase it. And this, I'm applying Ghost Bond to the unit. Not to the unit, to her outer edges. And I have done this countless times. I always apply 2 layers. And I'm only going to show you applying one. You can see the other videos. But I apply 2 layers. You let it clear. And you apply another one once it's cleared. Now what I'm doing is laying the lace down so it can hold. I'm not sure if I said this. This is a sponsored video from UA Hair. So UA Hair did sponsor this unit. I will have the link down below where you can purchase it. It's a 14 inch. It's supposed to be 14 inches, but you'll see once you see the back, you'll see it's longer than 14 inches. And this unit is very soft. I love the lace on it. The plucking of it was good as well. So you just want to make sure that it is glued down real good. And then you comb out your hair to the back so you can start cutting. And now I'm just going to cut the lace off. You have seen this countless times, so we're going to skip over that. So now that the lace is cut off, I have alcohol pad. I'm going to go in and clean her up. The excess glue with the alcohol pad. And we're going to skip that part. Now that I have done the alcohol pad, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie the lace down so it can melt even more and even better. So all you do is get your scarf or anything thin kind of tied around your lace, and then maybe sit on a hair dryer or get a blow dryer and just blow on it. And then help melt the lace even better. So while we was waiting, I went ahead and did her part to my liking while it was still wrapped. So now, as you can see, that lace does not look like it was looking before I tied it down. It's now melted into her skin. Okay, so now I'm just going to play to get the styling to our liking. Now I'm going to pluck it some just to widen and open up the part a little bit more. Not that much plucking. It's just going to be a bare minimal just to open it up a little more. And we're going to skip over that part as well. You guys seen me pluck hair before. So now that I'm done plucking, I'm going to go ahead on, and I want it to lay flat like a sleek look. So what I'm going to go in and do is I'm going to get the hot comb with the hair wax and go and wax and hot comb it down. You have to part it and do each section to make sure that it lays flat. So that's what I'm doing to make sure it lays even flatter. to give it like a little sleek look. We're not going to put any curls or anything in it. We're going to wear it straight. That's how we're going to do it. Even though she's not going anywhere because we are quarantined in. So she would be doing like her mother, getting cute, taking pictures, posting it. That's it. Nowhere to go. Okay, so now that I'm through, as you can see, the part is a little bit open. And as you can see, it's longer than that actual 14 inches that it said it was. I give it about 16, maybe 18. And she went and did her edges. And this is the final look with the baby hairs that she applied to it. As you guys can see. No lace detected. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Happy Mother's Day to everyone. I hope everyone is staying in and staying safe. Stay tuned for more tutorial videos. And this is G Renee. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Thank you guys.